Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have this mask that I got from Facetory. This is Vitamin B Velvet Mask, and I was going through my masks and realized that some of them are getting close to being expired, so I wanted to try this one. It's Vitamin B5. My dishwasher is running. Sorry about the noise. I can't turn it off once I turn it on. It doesn't, it's a long story. But anyway, 10 to 20 minutes for this mask. So let me put it on and then I will see what I can tell you from what it says. Soothing relief, it says. So let me open it up and we'll put it on. Ooh, it looks good. It smells just very lightly. It's very, the essence is very nice. It's thick. It's like a thick essence, which is nice. So, okay. Vitamin B5. Okay. And I am an affiliate for Facetory. If y'all ever want to buy anything from them, if you use my link below, it's usually in most videos, I will get a little couple of pennies from your order. So I thank you ahead of time if you do that. This smells good. Of course, it's always cold, you know, it's just how it is. Oops, a little high there. Oh, it feels very refreshing. Very refreshing. They all, you know, masks feel really good. I love masking. It's a great way to take care of your skin and not to have to do too much more. It's a, I mean, I do other things too, but it just, if you don't have any time, it's a great way to, you know, really at home, you can put this on and get your dishes started or something, you know, so it's a good thing. It's a good thing to do to take care of yourself. And then try to put it down there. It smells nice. It's very lightly scented. It is a Korean mask. It says that the sheet is tencel. The fabric is tencel. A lot of sheet masks are tencel. I don't know if that's right on my nose, so I can't quite fix it, but it says this hypoallergenic soothing mask contains vitamin B5 with excellent skin soothing and hydration properties. And then on the back, like I said, it says 10 to 20 minutes. That's about all I can read in there of that. It's all Korean. It does say how to use after using toner. Place sheet on face, leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, and take off gently. And then the rest of it is in Korean. And then it says at the bottom, made in Korea. That's in English. So, yeah, it smells just very nicely. Very nicely. So I have something to show you. I was just looking online, and there's a product line from France called SONAGE. And this is a box from them. And they have a monthly subscription. So that's what this is. The thing about this is, it is $15, and it was $15. That included the shipping and everything. And it's $15 a month until you cancel. You can go on Amazon and order it, and you save a couple of dollars for your first order. I got it on Amazon. So maybe it was $12, $12.50, $11.50, I can't remember exactly. But it is one full-size product from their line. That's all you get. So if you get it from them directly, you will get a bag with your first order. And I didn't need another bag. I've got lots of bags. So let me tell you a little bit about it. It says French origin since 1994. Non-toxic ingredients. It is sustainable packaging. Well, that's good to know. And American-made beauty, it says. Yes, it's okay. So it's made in America. Okay, SPA grade. Not, oh, spa grade. Spa grade. SPA. So, okay, it is French origin, but it's made in the US. Okay, beauty like food should be a health choice. The CEO said that of SONAGE skincare. And it's cruelty-free, renewable, what do they call that? Renewable, sustainable stuff. Woman-owned. Now that I didn't know. Minority-owned and vegan. I didn't know that it was minority-owned either. And it is certified vegan. So this is a very nice box that it came in. It says, who we are, the new natural. SONAGE, derived from the French expression, and then there's some French words, which I don't know. So it says, which translates to look good for one's age. Our mission goes beyond that. SONAGE advocates a holistic lifestyle, changing the way we treat our bodies to feel good for our age. And it's heavy. It's heavy, y'all. So I did already open it and look in there. And like I said, this was $15 to start. When you open, here, let me show you. When you open it, it looks like this. And there's a little card on top telling you what you got. And it is wrapped nicely. So it, you know, there's some tissue. Here. There's tissue and there's little squirrely things, squiggly things, whatever they're called. And this is what I got. This full-size product. And it's called Refiction Sans Retinol Creme, if you want to say it that way. It's a wrinkle repair, and it has the Bactulio. Is that how you say that word? Ceramides Bacucci. I said that backwards. Bacuchiol and peptides. So it doesn't have retinol, you know, sans retinol. And this is $60 on their website. That's how much it costs. And I got it for, in my case, under $15 because I went through Amazon. But you can get it for $15 on their website. And it's the May. They chose this for Mother's Day. So each month you'll get something different, full size. So check it out. I'll have the link below. I don't get anything for it. It's just their website, you know. It says a Mother's Day favorite is the Refixion Sans Retinol Creme, Retinol Alternative Wrinkle Cream with Bacuchiol. I don't know if that's the right way to say it, but I think it is. And then they have this, what looks like a mother-daughter team here. It says the new natural. And on the back it says all the benefits of retinol without the irritation or dryness. And you know, some people are allergic to retinol. So a lot of our products do have the Bacuchiol in it instead of the retinol. As we approach Mother's Day, well, you're seeing this after Mother's Day. As we approach Mother's Day, it's important to take a moment to appreciate the incredible work and sacrifices that mothers make every day. What better way than by giving them a gift of self-care? Formulated with Bacuchiol, our retinol cream anti-aging wrinkle cream has been clinically proven to nourish, stimulate collagen production, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and protect the skin. With regular use, you can expect to see a noticeable improvement in the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and overall skin texture. Say goodbye to retinol and hello to Refixion Sans Retinol Creme, the perfect alternative for healthy, glowing, and rejuvenating skin. Let Mama experience the difference herself. All right, so I've been trying to open this the whole entire time. I can't do it. Oh, now I can. I did it. Okay, so this is the box, and then this is the product. It's big, very pretty. It is, I think I told you all this stuff already. Paraben-free, botanical ingredients, cruelty-free, gluten-free. I don't know if I said that already. You know, cleanse your skin and apply the Refusion, whatever, it goes on the whole name again. Recommended for day or night. Oh, that's good to know. So this packaging is gorgeous. And then they have it in French as well. This package is beautiful. So when you take that off, it has a pump. So very, very nice. I'm not going to test it, y'all, because I just have too many things open right now. I do want to, but I just have too many things open right now. And sometimes I get, as you know, I get overloaded with things, and I may want to give it away, put it in a giveaway or something. If I don't get to it before, you know, it's time for a big giveaway or something, okay? So anyway, but it's beautiful. Isn't it pretty? SONAGE. It's a great skincare line. I have had several things from the brand SONAGE, in the past from different boxes and all, and I do like it. So I thought this was worth trying. I'm only getting it this 1 month to try it. But $15 for a $60 product is well worth it. So I don't know, maybe I'll continue it, but we'll see. And that's it. So let me see about this mask. I've got a little bit more time maybe. It feels so good. It did say 10 to 15 minutes. It's been about 10, but I think I'm going to leave it on for the other 5 minutes, y'all. So thanks for stopping by, and happy Mask Monday to everybody. And I hope you enjoyed seeing the SONAGE. And check it out. I'll have it below if you want to see about getting it for yourself. And just do a little something nice for yourself if you can today. I hope that you all had a lovely Mother's Day. I think I said it on my Friday Night Gab, but I do believe it's true that if you're a woman, you're probably a mother of some sort. You know, even if you don't have children, such as myself. You mother other people, or you have pets, or you do both, or you take care of everybody around you. So take care of yourself a little bit too, because you can't help others if you're not feeling well. So y'all take care, count your blessings. Good to see you, and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Whoops.